Hello everyone, welcome to Discoveru. Today we're gonna go going to there, that mountain, Middle Quarry. We're gonna bring home my son's toys because he has a lot of toys we need to remove. Let's go. Let's go walk, going to Middle Quarry from Camp Allen because we need to lessen my son's toys. Yes, a lot. He's scattered everywhere. We're going there to that mountain. Let's go. We're going to that mountain. Welcome to Discoveru. Welcome to Baguio City, Philippines. The beautiful Baguio City, Philippines. Ru is still sleeping, so we need to lessen his toys without him knowing it. Santo Niño Chapel. My son loves old Filipino jeepneys, so there, old Filipino jeepneys. We are already here. McDonald's, Legarda. So we're gonna be walking, going to Middle Quarry to bring home a few toys of Ru, because he already has a lot and he keeps scattering. Okay, so we have some construction trucks. It's like a steamroller. So we are already here. City Camp to Lower Lagoon. We're gonna be walking, going there. Middle Quarry. Let's go. Okay, hello everyone. We are already here. Middle Quarry. Thank you for joining. Okay, we are already home. Let's pass through the back. Get tired walking. So we came from that mountain to here. It looks near, but it's a little tiring. You're gonna go up and down hills. Hello, Discoveru. So here we brought some of my son's toys home because he has a lot of toys and he keeps on scattering. Mawan ma. So we're gonna leave it here. Hangko pa'y amo guray pa'y adar arang hidak ma. I'm gonna open. We're gonna bring some toys. Keep some scattering there. I need to lessen his toys. Have a lot. Haampay daytan. Here. Mama keeps on asking questions. So here, this is where we put all his toys. This is where we are allowed to scatter. It's a big truck. Thank you. More blessings to all of us. Thank you for subscribing. watching, sharing, commenting my son's YouTube channel, Discover Ru. I hope if you feel generous, you can also send super thanks. It will actually help my son's channel. More blessings to all of us.